Can we use disinfectant wipes on, well, we're all using masks here and there. So, it just seems like I could maybe get a few uses out of this, a few more uses out of this if I, just use that. What do you think? What do you recommend?
Well, like I said before, the labels have really specific uses, and that is because when the product is approved, it is going through a process where they're looking at the potential risks for someone using it. And if you were to use it on your mask, that could increase your risks from both inhalation of the disinfectant, which is an antimicrobial pesticide, and potentially skin contact with that disinfectant. And so the short answer is no. There are no disinfecting wipes or other disinfectants for household or home use on those kinds of masks. And if it's non-disposable, if it's a cloth face covering, throwing it in the laundry and having the detergent do the work can be an effective way to wash that, for uses down the road.